Both my parents were educators, and my mom was a kindergarten teacher. She taught for 27 years in kindergarten, so I was just at a young age just really excited to be a teacher. Played at home pretending I was a teacher. I have a twin sister, so I would always make her be my student, and I would be the teacher, and we would just read each other books and play teacher, and just had a really fun time. I just try and fully immerse the students into just a fun learning environment, because kids really enjoy when you can make things into a game or make reading fun by, partner reading and then sharing out and then doing the writing about their reading and just making all those connections to inspire students to spark interest in other places. When I came on, I was a part of an amazing team of educators who mentored me and showed me how to be a fantastic teacher. So I'm just trying to take what I've learned from the amazing educators that I work with and try and share that knowledge with the new staff that come on board. I just feel so appreciated, so valued, and I just want to take those traits that I've received and just give those to the new staff that come, that I have a pleasure of mentoring and working with daily. Sometimes people ask you, what's your favorite memory of teaching, or what's the best moment? I just love all the little moments when a student gains confidence in their reading or finds a math fact that works great for them and is a strategy that they can count on, or when we're on a field trip, and all the little things that you don't really think about when you're dreaming about being a teacher, but all the things that you actually get to do and the impact you actually get to have every day is pretty cool. I hope that my students will leave my classroom feeling loved and supported and encouraged in their education, knowing that Mrs. Gulick said I could do it, and I can do it, with that positive mindset of maybe it's tricky now, but I'm going to keep working hard, and I'm going to keep going to reach my goals, because I know I can. In whatever way that success leads them in life, that Mrs. Gulick knows that they can do it, and that I have faith in them, and that they feel proud in themselves.